Take control of repairs and maintenance by connecting Fixflo's best-in-class repairs reporting tool with Arthur's property management solution. With this integration activated, tenants can simply use their dedicated Arthur app and report issues by clicking Report Maintenance Issue. This will allow them to accurately report an issue using Fixflo whilst remaining within Arthur. Tenants are able to report a variety of issues in just a few clicks. They will be provided with helpful guidance and advice, enabling them in many cases to resolve maintenance issues themselves. It couldn't be simpler for the tenant, as all of their contact and address details will automatically be pre-filled, allowing for an even faster maintenance request. In addition to maintenance requests, within the Arthur app, your tenants can also pay rent, view any documents associated with their rental, be sent any general notices and manage utilities, enabling you to provide a better service to your tenants whilst reducing the need for phone calls. All issues reported will automatically sync to Arthur's powerful property management system, along with any relevant documentation and media files. So don't delay, set up your integration today.